Hi guys, what we got today is Mike's DX94HP, brand new, hasn't been channel converted, nothing yet. So this is just a preliminary look over. There's no sense in firing it up since it's brand new. I mean, I will after I channel convert it, but this is what we got, a brand new one, and Mike wants us to hot rod it, channel convert it, and hot rod it, man. So Mike, it's your turn to burn, man. We'll be back with an update. Alright, Mike, got her all done for you, man. Channel converted, did my comp mods to it, audio mods, so we are good to go. Give you a little rundown here. We have your variable power all the way down is about 6, all the way up is about 40. And remember, this is like all the export radios where you put it down low and it'll do more watt, you know, it'll do less watts the lower you go. Oh yeah, it's about 100 in the corner. But if we take this and let's go to about 20. Now it'll always do the same peak, but it's just the RMS changes. Oh yeah. So, 20 to a little over 60. Oh yeah. So 10 to about 45 it looks like. And of course we know what it's going to do in PEP mode. I'm blasting in the corner. So we're going to switch this out. I'm going to go to my 500 just for PEP mode. Hello. About 270 looks to be, and that's at the 10 watt dead key, and I'm going to just go ahead and turn it all the way up. Hello, and as you see, the same. Give me a minute, let me get this scope fired up, and we'll show you what that thing's doing. Alright, I got to set it at about a 10 watt dead key still. So this is what we're getting on the scope, with the tone going through it. Actually, there's your reference. Look at that, right over 200%. Everything looks good. All the angles. So not bad at all. Looks really, really good. Slow it down a little bit. I don't know if y'all can make that out. That thing looks really hot, over 200% modulation. It's a really good radio. This turned out really well. Hope you enjoyed it there, Mike. We enjoyed doing it for you. Old Stickman at the No Name Man CB shop. If this is something that you'd like to have done, give me a shout. We'll help you out. We'll see you. Bye-bye.